Hi, this is Andreas from Sea, Stone and Soil. And I recently just got a question on my website, seastoneandsoil.com, from John from Arizona, asking me where I got all my stones for my projects. And I decided to make this video and show you some of the ways that I get my hands on all the stones that I need for it. It is hard work, but it is also good fun, and a fair bit of exercise as well. So let me show you how I do it. Yeah, well, so one of the places that I look is on a Facebook Marketplace. So I just search for stones. Here are some quite close to where I live. So I just contact that person, and then I go pick them up. Here's another one. This one is also pretty close, so I might give him a call. So it doesn't cost anything. I just have to go pick them up. I tend to do it when it's sort of within a 5 kilometers radius, because otherwise it's just not worth it. Tomorrow there'll be new ads, so it doesn't matter. So that's one of the ways. The other way that I find stones is actually on the beach. Hi again. So now we're looking at the beach, and I'd like to tell you how I get the stones from the beach. And basically what I'm waiting for is a sort of a very specific weather event where we have a major storm blowing from the south. What happens then is that the storm will sort of push the water level out, and actually expose about 30 meters of seabed, and it looks very, very dramatic. I promise that I will make a video of that the next time. And then you can just walk out, and you can actually walk to the end of the jetty just on the seabed, right? So further out, about 20-30 meters, and lots of stones will then be exposed. They are unreachable under normal circumstances, but when that happens, then you can actually just walk out and get the stones and carry them back in. It doesn't happen that often, but once in a while, and I will make a recording of it next time. So I've arrived, and it's just a matter of getting them into the car, get them home. Okay, so I am almost home. The stones were just perfect, and I managed to bring them home safely without destroying my car. I think couldn't hear anything, at least. Okay, so I'm home, and it's just a matter of bringing all of these beautiful stones to the slope. Let's bring them down here. I just got my wheelbarrow, so you can see it's a little bit cold. It's around 10 degrees, so it's good temperature for doing this, because it is going to be a little bit hard to do this actually. It's just, I suppose, good exercise. See, autumn colors here. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I'll just go get some buckets. I can carry more than 2 at a time. There we go. Where will I put them? Let's see. Put some of them there, so they're ready for how to build some stairs right here. And then maybe bring it up this way. Yeah. And if I put sort of the stones there, they're ready for it. And maybe I can dump the rest with the other pile that I got the other day. Yeah. Maybe. There we go. So when spring comes, then I'll be ready to move on here from here. Okay, I'll go this way. I think I'll go this way as well. Yeah, so that's the plan. I suppose there are enough stones for, let's say, four or 5 steps maybe. Yeah. Maybe I should jump some. Maybe I should dump some of them down here. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's just get the buckets. That's what I came for. This is very, very hard work. So I'll go get a cup of coffee and then get back to it afterwards. So I got my coffee, but well, basically while drinking it, then I had a look at the forecast, and it seems it's going to rain cats and dogs in just about half an hour, and as you can see, it is getting pretty dark up there. So I suppose I have to get back to work. Okay, so I'm done. I've moved all of those stones to the slope, so the bottom of the slope, and yeah, so they're ready for spring, and I'm totally exhausted. But it was good exercise. And another fun fact here is just that forecasts are actually pretty worthless, aren't they? Because look at this weather. They promised that it would rain, it would pour down, the sky would almost fall upon us, but instead, beautiful blue sky here. So well, at least it it got me going. It made me finish the task really fast. So guys, the stones are ready. Hopefully you will subscribe to my channel, and then you can actually well, follow along, see what's going to happen. That will be during springtime when I'll be working with those stones. So bye bye for now.